Assalamualaikum friends. Welcome to Step by Step Tutorials. In this video, we will learn first what is radian, second number of radians in one revolution, third conversion factor between degrees and radians. So first we define radian. So the plane angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc of the length equal to the radius of the circle. So let this is our circle, and this central point C is the center of a circle, then this length will be R, that is the radius of the circle. So C indicates the center of circle and R is equal to radius of the circle. Now if this is the point A, and if I start moving from point A anti-clockwise along this circle, so I am subtending an angle and I reach to the point B. So now we have this AB is the arc denoted by S. So S is the arc length. So this arc has subtended an angle of theta. Here this is the plane angle as it is in a plane. From above definition, if arc S is equal to radius R, then angle, that is plane angle theta, is equal to 1 radian. So this theta, this is the plane angle denoted by theta, and its SI, that is System International unit, is radian. Now this is the plane angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc. This is an arc S that is equal to the radius of the circle, that is R. So in this case we have this theta is equal to 1 radian. So now we take a separate example, a simplest example. Let this is our circle and this is the center C, and this length is the radius R. Let radius R is equal to 4 centimeter, and if I start from point A and I move along this circle When I reach point B, so I extend an arc. So if this arc length is also equal to 4 centimeter, then this central plane angle will be equal to 1 radian. So now we take a separate example to further elaborate this. If we have this circle and the center C and radius R, if I start from point A and move along this circle in a complete revolution, so I start from point A and I will end at point A. So this will make a complete 1 revolution. So now this is the arc length S, but here the arc length S is equal to circumference of the circle. We have known relation S is equal to arc theta that relates the arc length S, this angle theta, and radius R. So this is radius R, theta and S. So we can write that the theta is equal to S divided by R. But we already discussed that S is equal to circumference of circle divided by the radius R. Now theta is equal to 2 pi R, that is circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi R divided by R. Cancelling R and R, we get that theta is equal to 2 pi radian. This S is equal to R theta is only valid in the case of the radians. So now we have 1 revolution, complete revolution is equal to 2 pi radian. From previous knowledge, we also know that 1 revolution is equal to 360 degrees. From this relation, we can write that 2 pi radians is equal to 360 degrees. Dividing both sides by 2 pi, we get that 1 radian is equal to 360 degree divided by 2 into 3.14, as the value of the pi is equal to 3.14. So 1 radian is equal to 57.3 degrees. This is the conversion factor between the radians and degrees, as 1 radian is equal to 57.3 degrees. So whenever you want to convert radian into degrees or degree into radians, you can use this conversion factor. So if you liked our video, so give us thumbs up and subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.